If you already know Odoo, you know it tries to cover everything a business touches. But in recent years, what really changes the experience is how all these parts talk to each other and how CRM sits right in the middle of that flow. So today we are walking through how it works in real situations, how you would actually set it up, and how it supports you from the first lead all the way to payment, delivery, and follow-up. Let's get started. We start with sales because this is where CRM work turns into actual business. When you open the sales, you see quotations and confirmed orders. If a CRM opportunity exists, you can create a quote directly from it, keeping all client history connected. You pick a customer, type their company name, and Odoo fills in everything automatically: address, tax info, phone, so you don't waste time entering details. Building the quote is straightforward. Instead of a long product list, you organize items into sections that match your project, drag products into place, adjust quantities, and hide any internal costs the client doesn't need to see. Shipping calculates automatically based on weight, and when the client accepts, you request a down payment, send the link, and the order confirms itself. Everything updates smoothly across CRM, inventory, and accounting. Now we move into inventory, which is tightly connected to sales. The forecast view shows what you have, what is reserved, and what you need to reorder. You see timelines, expected delivery dates, and whether items are late or on track. You can collapse sections to focus only on critical products. Replenishment rules let Odoo calculate future needs based on realistic time ranges, not just emergencies. Barcode handling makes warehouse work precise. You move pallets, boxes, or single items, and Odoo tracks every movement automatically. You can also add handling notes to products, which helps warehouse staff store and move items safely. Now getting into CRM. And when you open the CRM, you see pipelines laid out visually. Each column is a stage, and each card represents a deal. Leads come from forms, emails, imports, or even scanned business cards. When a new lead enters, Odoo checks the quality of the data. If a phone number is wrong or info is missing, it highlights that immediately. You can fix the details, and the system updates the probability to close the deal. This shows you exactly what helps and what might slow things down. Inside each opportunity, you see emails, notes, and attachments all in one place. If someone else takes over, they get full context instantly, which prevents repeated questions or lost information. And if you need a colleague to step in, the handover is smooth because everything is already connected to the client record. Documents support CRM in ways you might not notice at first, but once you use it, it becomes a major time saver. You can set rules to automatically sort files into folders. Contracts go to contracts, insurance to insurance, and invoices to their respective folders. When a client sends a receipt by email, Odoo converts it into a PDF and attaches it where it belongs. You can preview, search, and even attach these files anywhere else in the system with a quick command. It also handles multiple file types, so PDFs, TXT files, and even XML documents are viewable without leaving Odoo. Quick actions let you share, rename, or download in one click, which keeps everything tidy and accessible while you work on a deal. Accounting is deeply tied to CRM because your clients expect accuracy and timely follow-ups. Audit reports, for example, are no longer a headache. You name the report, set the date range, pick from pre-made legal text templates, and Odoo builds the report automatically. Team members can sign digitally, and extra documents attach seamlessly from documents. Tax returns show deadlines clearly and filing status clearly, so you always know what needs to be filed and when. Bank reconciliation matches most transactions automatically, and guided actions help you handle any exceptions. Payment follow-ups can be sent directly from the system, keeping clients informed without extra effort. The sign feature helps move deals along quickly. You upload one or multiple documents, set signing fields, and group them into a single envelope. Clients receive one link and can sign everything in order, which shortens approval cycles and keeps projects moving. It's simple, visual, and connected directly to the opportunity record, so CRM stays up to date without extra work. Projects come into play once a deal is confirmed, and CRM still matters because clients are counting on follow-through. You can create a project from a template, which automatically populates tasks, stages, and assignees. Automations let Odoo assign opportunities or tasks to the right person, so nothing slips through the cracks. The calendar view helps schedule tasks visually, and team members can log their time easily, feeding data back into reports and billing. Everything here is linked to the client, so you can see project progress without switching apps or losing context. Odoo integrates calling directly into CRM. You can see recent calls, contacts, and planned activities in one view. Calls can be transferred, put on hold, or recorded. The system generates transcripts and summaries automatically, which attach to the right opportunity or client record. That way, every conversation stays part of the story, and you never lose context. Discuss is your internal messaging system that keeps teams aligned around CRM activity. You can chat with individuals or groups, mention people for notifications, or ask the AI assistant questions about your own data. It responds based on your documents and records. You can even schedule meetings or trigger actions directly from Discuss, reducing the need to switch apps mid-workflow. Website and e-commerce feed leads directly into CRM. You build pages using pre-made templates, create product catalogs, and set up shop pages with real-time previews of product variants, like size, color, or material. Product pages support structured data for search visibility, and social platform integrations let you sync products to marketplaces. AI can generate descriptions or translate pages instantly, saving time while keeping all client interactions captured inside CRM. Live chat connects your website visitors directly to your CRM. Chats route to operators with the right expertise, and limits prevent overload. Operators see the full context of each conversation, and visitors receive transcripts they can revisit. Real-time dashboards help you track activity and ensure no conversation is missed. Dashboards give a real-time pulse on CRM activity. You type what you want to see, and Odoo builds visual insights on pipelines, conversion rates, or client engagement. Spreadsheets let you dig deeper, filter data, collapse rows, and analyze imported records. Everything works on desktop and mobile, keeping insight and control in your hands at all times. So when we look at Odoo CRM, what stands out is how everything connects. From leads to quotations to projects and even calls and chats, all interactions flow into CRM. For anyone looking for an open, flexible, and deeply connected CRM, Odoo is worth exploring. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this.